We're now going to work on creating a pattern brush. You can create a pattern brush in several ways. For a simple pattern applied to a straight line, for instance, you can select the content you're using for the pattern and click the New Brush button at the bottom of the Brushes panel. To create a more complex pattern to apply to objects with curves and corners, you can select Artwork in the document window to be used in a pattern brush. Create swatches in the Swatches panel from the artwork you're using in the pattern brush, and even have Illustrator auto-generate the pattern brush corners. In Illustrator, only a side tile needs to be defined. Illustrator automatically generates 4 different types of corners based on the art used for the side tile. These 4 auto-generated options fit the corners perfectly. Next, you'll create a pattern brush for decoration around the uplift text. With nothing selected, choose 2 from the Artboard navigation menu. With the selection tool selected, click to select the artwork up here at the top. And let's zoom in so we can see it a little better. Click the panel menu icon in the Brushes panel. Choose Thumbnail View. Notice that pattern brushes in the Brushes panel are segmented in Thumbnail View. Each segment corresponds to a pattern tile. In the Brushes panel, click the New Brush button to create a new pattern out of the artwork. In the New Brush dialog box, select Pattern Brush, and then click OK. A new pattern brush can be made regardless of whether artwork is selected. If you create a pattern brush without artwork selected, it is assumed that you will add artwork by dragging it to the Brushes panel later, or by selecting the artwork from a pattern swatch you create as you edit the brush. You will see the latter method later in this section. In the Pattern Brush dialog box that's open, name the brush Decoration. Pattern brushes can have up to 5 tiles, the side start and end tiles, plus an outer corner tile and an inner corner tile to paint sharp corners on a path. You can see all 5 tiles as buttons right along here. Below the spacing option, the tile buttons let you apply different artwork to different parts of the path. You can click a tile button for the tile you want to define, and then you select an auto-generated selection if available, or a pattern swatch from the menu that appears. Under the spacing option, click the side tile box. The second one right here. The decorative artwork that was originally selected is in the menu that appears, along with none and any pattern swatches found in the Swatches panel. You see we have Pompadour. Click the outer corner tile box to reveal the menu. You may need to click twice, once to close the previous menu and another click to open this new one. The outer corner tile has been generated automatically by Illustrator based on the original decorative artwork. In the menu, you can choose from 4 types of corners that are auto-generated. You see those: auto-centered, auto-between, auto-sliced, and auto-overlap. Choose auto-between. This generates the outer corner of any path that the pattern brush will be applied to the selected decorative artwork. Click OK, and you see that decorative brush now appears in the Brushes panel. Choose Select, Deselect. In this section, you'll apply the decoration pattern brush to a circle around the text in the center of the first artboard. As you've seen when you use drawing tools to apply brushes to artwork, you first draw the path with the drawing tool and then select the brush in the Brushes panel to apply the brush to the path. Choose 1 from the Artboard menu down here. With the selection tool selected, click the circle around the up and uplift, this circle right here. Let's zoom in on this. There you go. With that path selected, click the decoration brush to apply it. Whew. Look at there. Choose select, deselect. The path is painted with that decoration brush because the path does not include sharp corners. Outer corner and inner corner tiles are not applied to the path. Now you'll edit the decoration pattern brush using a pattern swatch that you create. Choose 2 from the artboard menu. With the selection tool, select that same decoration artwork at the top of the artboard. Change the stroke color to a light green. Let's see, which color do I want? That's a light green. Press the escape key to hide the panel. Click the swatches tab up here to show the swatches panel. Drag the decoration artwork into the swatches panel. Oop. Hang on. Why am I not working? There we go. It is now. The artwork is saved as a new pattern swatch in the swatches panel. After you create a pattern brush, you can delete the pattern swatches from the swatches panel if you don't want to use them for additional artwork. Choose select, deselect. Choose 1 from the artboard menu. Click the brushes panel tab to show the panel. And double click the decoration pattern brush to open the dialog box. Click the side tile box. Confusing myself here. I know y'all find that. Oh, we want to name this new pattern swatch 1. New pattern swatch 1. We're going to change the scale to 50%. We're going to click OK. In the dialog box that appears, click Apply to Strokes. That's going to update the decoration brush and the brush applied to the circle. With the selection tool selected, click to select the triangle. Click the decoration brush. Uh-oh. I messed up. I know. I knew I was doing something wrong. Let me change this back to list view. Double click here. Nope. I messed up before this. Hang on, bear with me. Let me figure out what I did. Okay, I figured out what I did. So we're going to double click this decoration, and we got to click. What I didn't do was the side tile box, which is right here, and choose the pattern swatch name New Pattern. Now we're cooking with grease. Change this to 50%. Click OK and apply to strokes. There we go. You see our circle is now green. That's what it was supposed to be. Alright, with the selection tool selected, we're going to click the triangle with this brush applied. Click the decorations brush to apply it. Notice that the corners appear, and you see right here, there's your corners. Click to apply the geometric 17 brush again. That was just to show you what that would do if you selected the decoration brush. See how it's different than the geometric 17. So keep it at that, and then select, deselect. Sorry I got so discombobulated, but we know that it happens. We know. Whoa, where'd it go? Mine crashed. Can you believe that? Unbelievable. Okay, let me get back to where I was. I'll end this video.